In today's video, we're going to illustrate how to tie a pair of boots featuring hooks and how to tighten the laces for a long-lasting effect. How to lace and tie your boots. We start off with inserting the laces in the last row of eyelets, outside in and pull. To make it easier to understand, we will first tie the right lace and then move on to the left one. The right lace crosses the inside to the left side and goes straight to the right. Then we pass the cord under the central flap and pull it through the fourth row of eyelets on the left side. We will then shift to the left cord, passing it through the last crossing and pulling it through the third row of eyelets on the right side. The lace will then pass straight through the left side. We then pass the cord under the central flap and out through the fourth row of eyelets on the right side. For the lacing to last over time, the correct method to tighten the laces is at this point and not when they're on the hooks. The hooks on a boot are designed to make tying laces a quick and easy process. To tighten the laces, we pull firmly and make the necessary adjustments. We then cross the laces and pass them through the hooks. We have chosen to finish with a sergeant knot. Don't worry if you didn't get it right this time. We will explain it in more detail on the next video.